Hey guys, RC Arsenal back with another video. Today I got my off-road drift car and I noticed something. The chip's been cutting out on it. That means one thing. Chip's fried. So, what I'm going to do is, hold on, let me pop off this cover. You know what? These just pop out. Hold on. All I'm doing is popping the 4 pins on the body. All I'm going to do to this, ouch, don't hurt, is get a new chip, basically. Ouch, that one hurt. So let's just pop off the lid. And let's see here. This one goes to the antenna. These two go to the motor. The 4-wheel drive motor. You know what? I'm gonna pop the chip out while I'm here. So, there's one. Actually, here's my micro. Sorry. Okay, let's just unscrew that. And all I'm gonna do is just undo all these wires. Where does the blue go to? Absolutely nothing. Now I'm wondering. Can't do that, can I? I'm wondering now. Why was that wire tucked under there? Just strange. I already went ahead and cut the 2 wires. The only reason I want to make this thing work is because it's an awesome car from when my cousin owned it. I just liked it since I've seen it, so. Where are my scissors? Oh yeah, they're up here. I will have an unboxing for y'all though. I got an unboxing. Snips. All we're gonna do is snip, snip. And that's gonna lose a little bit of voltage. And as you want the steering. Here's front wheel drive. And rear wheel drive goes right there. The other rear wheel drive. And the other one. Oh, can't get to it. Sorry guys, I'm more focused on the car. God. God. Ouch, it was hot though. There. And now, oh yeah, I got a switch. And what else? Just the switch holding it in? Okay, the antenna and switch. Okay, so switch, antenna. It's right down here. Always want that antenna. Oh, it just went to a light. Okay, that blue. Blue went to a light. Okay. Okay. This is what everything was. I was running a 49. Nope, 40. That was a 40. Yep. And now all I'm left with is these wires. So, pretty nice wires actually. Not bad at all. And the negative is right down there, okay. So where's the other positive? But yeah. Until I get the new chip, this is going to be this video for this car. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, do whatever you need to. Comment.